Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto Z, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this device. So to get started, we'll need to power off the device by holding the power key and selecting power off. And from there, once it has shut off, you then want to hold power key, volume up. So let's do that right now. Power key, actually I think it's volume down, might be actually. So let's power key, volume down. There we go. So from here you'll see this mode, so you want to use volume up or down to have recovery mode visible right here, and then press power key once more to confirm that, and then we should be in recovery mode, from where we will have access to wipe cache partition. Okay, so if you see this, hold power key, tap volume up once, and now we're in recovery. And here again, using volume keys, you want to navigate in order to select wipe cache partition right here. Press power key, select yes, and again power key. Then you will get a cache wipe complete, and reboot system now should be selected by default. So all you need to do now is press power key once more to reboot. And once the device is back on, all the process will be then fully finished. And there we go, so we're back in the Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.